Dear students, today we will talk about a lesson. The name of the lesson or the caption of the lesson or the title of the lesson is An Excellent Father. It is regarding a father's feelings. But in this lesson, the main role plays his wife, Mrs. Bennett. The father is the Bennett, Mr. Bennett, and main role is playing Mrs. Bennett. Mrs. Bennett is a middle aged woman. She has three daughters of marriageable age. This lesson has been compiled by Jane Austen. So, this lady is having three daughters, all are of the marriageable age. So, one morning, she informs her husband that Netherfield Park, a big house in their neighborhood, has been let out. It has been taken by a rich young man. That means somebody has come here and he has taken this park. Mr. Bingley, who is a backward, Mrs. Bennet thinks that he could be a very good match for one of her daughters. What is the name of that very person? A young person who has taken this park. His name is Mr. Bingley, who is a bachelor. Mrs. Bennet thinks that he would be very good match for one of her daughters, so she asks her, or she insists her husband to pay the young man a visit as early as possible. Mr. Bennet is a jolly fellow. He pretends that he sees no reason for this visit. He asks his wife to visit Mr. Bingley herself along with the girls, but then he tells her to send the girls alone. He teases her by saying that Mr. Bingley might like her the best of the party. Mrs. Bennet feels vexed at her husband's irresponsible behavior. She stops talking of Mr. Bingley. Mr. Bennet sees his daughters legitimating her hat. He teases her by saying that Mr. Bingley would like it. That means he was passing comments on the daughters and his wife, but in the heart of her, he too was interested in visiting to that very person so that he will try to get one of his daughter married with that very person. The girl feels vexed to the great delight of her father. Mrs. Bennet is all the time Mrs. Bennet is all the time in a very angry mood. In the meantime, the other daughters named Kitty starts coughing. Mr. Bennet remarks, Kitty has no discretion in her coughs. She times them in. Now thus Mr. Bennet keeps teasing his wife and daughters. Then at last he tells his wife that he has already visited. At last he disclosed that he has already visited that very person, Mr. Bingley. It is a big surprise for the ladies. Mrs. Bennet enjoys this joke. Mr. Bennet leaves the room, saying, Now, Kitty, you may cough as much as you please. Thus, Mr. Bennet proves himself to be an excellent father. That is why the name selected for this lesson is An Excellent Father. Now, what we discussed today, what we talked today, first thing is, what does Mrs. Bennet tell her husband? You have to make the answer of this question from your book, which we discussed with you. Second question is, who takes over Netherfield Park? Why is Mrs. Bennet happy about it? You have to choose the answer from your book. As I have discussed with you, why? Because actually she was interested in him, so that Mr. Bingley will get married with one of her daughters. Why does Mrs. Bennet insist on her husband to meet Mr. Bingley? As I have told you earlier, Now last question which you will try to make answer of this question. You take delight in vexing me, you have no compassion on my nerves. These are the words of whose words are these? These are the words of Mrs. Bennet. Okay, explain. You have to explain it. I hope that you will do these four questions and frame the answer of these questions. And I hope that hopefully these questions will be asked to you in the coming exams. Thank you. God bless you.